Samba Teacher 7, Mr. Barry here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video without having to show your face or even use your voice. So we're going to be using AI tools to generate all of this for us. And I'm going to show you basically what we're going to be doing is actually taking you step by step from even a YouTube channel creation to the final product where you actually have a video and you upload it to the channel. So I'm going to show you all that and we'll actually do it for you. And it's a good way to make some money if you want to there. It's really easy. You don't even have to be present in the video. You can make it all and AI will generate a person for you. It'll generate the voice for you. It'll read off the script. It'll generate the script as well. So basically, I'm going to take you step by step on how to do this. So let's take a look at all these steps now. So I'm going to show you how to do video editing, but do it in a way that's automatic and very easy to do with just a few lines of text. Please watch to the end so you have all the steps completed. So step one, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel and make the content for the YouTube channel as far as the media that is actually appearing for the channel, and how to use the AI tools to make your channel art. So we're going to break this down into 7 distinct steps. So step number 1 is to figure out what type of YouTube channel that you wish to create. And we're going to be using AI to do this. Step number 2 is creating your YouTube icon as well as the YouTube channel art. Step number 3 is to create your first YouTube video title using ChatGPT. Step number 4 is to actually create the video script using ChatGPT. Step number 5 is to create our character or host that will actually be narrating the video. And step number 6 is actually creating the video and editing the video using AI tools. Step number 7 is uploading the video to your YouTube channel. I'm sure you'll be happy because what used to take 3 days will now take mere hours for you to do. I use 4 different AI tools. The very first one is ChatGPT. Next is Creative Reality Studio. Next is VREW or VREW. This is a video editor that uses AI. And the fourth one is Canva. So let's open up ChatGPT. So now we're going to ask ChatGPT what kind of YouTube channel we wish to create. Yeah, I would like to interject here too that if you're new to the channel, I hope you do subscribe. Click on that thumbs up, share the video as that really helps the channel. So let's carry on. So here I have, please recommend me 10 YouTube channel themes on, and then you put in what you're interested in. I'm interested in computer technology, so I put in computer technology. Of course, if you're a parent raising children, maybe you want to put in, give me 10 themes on raising children. But it's up to you on what you want to put in as far as the topic. Now click the up arrow. So here's our 10 recommendations. One is tech tips and tricks, PC building guides, gaming hardware reviews, and we see others here. So it will give you 10 themes that you can pick from there to choose from and make your channel with. Now what you want to do is pick the one that you're most interested in, such as I can do tech tips and tricks. I'll choose that one there since it's the first one. And this says here, a channel dedicated to sharing helpful tips and tricks, tutorials for maximizing productivity, troubleshooting common issues, and optimizing computer performance. That's basically what my channel is today. Okay, now what we're going to do is choose one of these. I'm going to choose the very first one. Tech tips and tricks. So highlight it and then copy it by going Control C. And then down here, so now we're going to ask it, what is the best name? What is the best YouTube channel name? YouTube channel name for tech tips and tricks. And what you could actually do is say, give me 5 examples. Okay. So what is the best YouTube channel names? And then you could say Give me 5 examples. And hit the up arrow key. So here we have Tech Hacks Junction, Tech Genius Tips, Byte Savvy Solutions, Tech Mastery Tricks, and Tech Wizard Insights. So here's some good names that you can use. Now this was just 5 examples. If you wanted more, like 10 or 15 or even 20 examples, you could do that and then just choose any of those. But this is just a quick example here for the video. Okay, now pick one of these names. So I'm going to go Tech Genius Tips, highlight it, and copy it. Now what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube and then click on your avatar here. It may not have a picture yet, but just go ahead and click on there, and then you want to go down to what's called YouTube Studio. Click on that, and now go down to customization, and down here on customization we're now going to go in and click on, okay, we're going to click on basic info, and then you can put in the name that you have there. So in this case I would be replacing Selma Teacher 7 with Tech Genius Tips. There we go. Now we're going to go and do the icon and the channel art. Yes. Now once you have the name there, click on publish or share depending on what language you're using. And okay, so now I have a new name there, Selma Teacher 7 Tech Genius Tips. So right now what you should have is you should have the name, you can have a handle, you can also add a pronoun if you wanted to. What we're going to do is we're going to go in and click on New Tab and go to Canva. So that's Canva. There it is. So we're at canva.com. Now we're going to type in YouTube icon. So I want to make sure I'm recording still. And now hit enter. Okay, I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to click on customize this template. It's in the purple box. Okay, now just go ahead and click on the elements and hit delete. Until you get a blank page. Now we're going to create an icon or a host using only AI.
You see up?
Now down here click on apps. Now we're going to click on Magic Media. And this used to be called text to image. And it's right here, text to image. Now you want to type in what you want to find for your host. So in this case, computer technician, head and shoulders, front face view. It's very important that you have in your description that you're seeing his face. So again, I typed in technician, head and shoulders, front face view. You don't want to have someone who's facing away from the camera. They have to have a full face looking straight at the camera, because that's what we're going to be using to actually animate the character.
Yes.
Now I'm going to click on generate image, and I don't like any of those, so I'm going to try again. This time I'm going to go computer technician. Now once you've done it enough times, you'll find one that you like. You'll then drag the image over to the white page. Okay, now click on share and then click on download. And then click on save. Now go back to your YouTube Studio, and we're going to change our channel art to be that image. and you'd click on open there if you wanted to change it. But I like mine. Okay, now for the banner image, we're going to do that next. Go back to Canva, and now we're going to go to channel art, YouTube channel art. You'll then see YouTube channel art come up, and there's more than 10,000 different designs for you. So if you're not good at designing your own channel art, you can choose any of these, or you can actually customize it to your liking. So we're going to choose one here. So this one looks rather techy, so I'm going to use this one. Customize this template. And we put in the channel name. I'm Selma, Teacher 7. And then you can add that other part there. So if you go here, you can copy this part where it says Tech Genius Tips. Go back there. There it is. And then that would be changed to this right here. And I'm going to save this image here because this is my profile image. And see if we can use that profile image. So we're going to delete that image and then put in our own image. Locate your image, right click it, and copy. We have copy. Oh, there's copy image. So I'm right clicking and saying copy image. And paste. There it is. All right. Now click on Share, found in the upper right hand corner, and then download right there. Then go back to your YouTube Studio. Now click on Change for the banner image and select the image that you just created. So we have to move this over a little bit to make it fit just right. And let me download. Once I have it set up the way I want it, I'm now going to download it. Once it's downloaded, then go back to your channel customization. Click on Change for your banner image. And we'll see if that one works. Okay, so now we have a little picture of me where it says Selma Teacher 7, Tech Genius Tips. Click on Done. There we go. And then click in the upper right hand corner the word Publish, and that will save your work. Okay, next we're going to go back to ChatGPT. Now think about the content that you want to create. So now we can use ChatGPT to actually create our script for us. So we're going to take this, copy it, and then paste it down here. And starting a YouTube channel called Selma Teacher 7 Tech Genius Tips. Please recommend me 10 themes for a video. Enter. So now after you hit enter, there it is. So we have quick tech fixes, productivity hacks, gadget reviews, do-it-yourself tech projects, tech news updates, cybersecurity tips, gaming tips and tricks, tech Q&A sessions, and then tech explainers. By the way, I do all of these on my channel currently. All of these are actually covered in my channel. I do a lot with each one of these. Now that we have an idea of some of the topics that we'll be covering in our channel, let's actually find some video titles here. So please recommend me 10 video titles. For a video there. Okay, let's try that. There it is. Alright, so number 1 is 5 must-know Windows 10 tips for power users. I made a video called that. How to speed up your slow computer. I made videos on that. 10 smartphone hacks. I've talked about hacks for your smartphones. Yes, mastering Minecraft Office. I have a whole series on that. The ultimate guide to do-it-yourself tech for beginners. I covered that in some of my videos, but I don't have one that's actually just that. And then Cybersecurity 101, awesome. Unlocking hidden features on your Android device, maximizing productivity with technology, building your dream gaming setup. Yes, we have a number of videos on that. And then troubleshooting common Wi-Fi issues. Awesome. So I'm going to choose one of these. And I'm going to choose this one here. 5 must-know Windows 10 tips for power users. So I'm going to copy that one down. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a script for a video called 5 must-know Windows 10 tips and tricks for power users. And so I'm going to send that up there and see what it says. So now we have the opening shot. The computer screen shows Windows 10 desktop. And so not only does it give me the script, but it's also actually giving me the direction of what to show and when to show it too. So we have all of these. This is a very good script with also directions for the production. This is very, very nice. So this is basically how to create your video. Exactly. Okay, now due to the fact that this is AI and AI is known to hallucinate like mad, so what you want to do is actually read the script off to yourself and make sure that it is correct and accurate. If it's giving you fake tips, that's a possibility. So you want to just double check all of the work that you are given from the GPT, just to make sure and clarify, make sure everything is for reals. Now after you've proofread the script, you want to copy it, and there's a special icon at the very bottom of the chat here, and just click on copy, and that gets it into your memory. So now we're going to go to video editing. Remember, we can copy this by simply clicking on copy, and it's copied everything, including the stage directions, which we can dump here in a few seconds. Now we're going to go back to Canva. Now within Canva, we're going to create the background for our video. Okay, now once you're at Canva again, go to the main page at Canva and click on Videos. After clicking on the icon that says Videos, look for the icon that says YouTube Video. Now go ahead and click that. Now for this segment, you have to go back to where you saved your original background, the one with your character, and you'll be uploading it and putting it into this video as I'm showing here. Now find the tab that holds your background image with your character and copy it. Now you need to find your image. Okay, so I found my image. Right click it and say copy. Go back to the video and then right click and then paste, and there it is. And then resize it to fit perfectly in your screen there, as you see me doing. So what we need just the man without the background computer. So to remove that computer background, we're going to go to another tab and find the website called Remove. So on here, open a new tab and then type in Remove Background.
No, it's just remove.
Oh, just remove, sorry, just remove. And then right here where it says remove background from image for free, and it's www.remove.bg. So we're going to click it, and we're going to upload the image. Choose your image by clicking it, and then click on open. And there it is. So if I like that, I'm going to click on download. And if you have another image that you wanted to do, let's see here. Let's go back and let's choose me just to see what it'll do with a picture. Wow, there we are. That's me without a background. If I like that, I'll click on download and save that as well. Okay, now we go back to here and we're going to take this one out, and I'm going to say file upload. Oh, right here under uploads. And now we're going to click on upload files and choose the one right here that we just made. And now we can take him and put him in here. Position it where you want it to be. Within the little search box, type in computer because that's my theme that I'm using. Click elements. Okay, now click on photos. And I finally found the images that I need. Resize it so it covers everything. And then right click it. And then layer, set as send backwards. So we need to, right now it's hard to see him, so we're going to right click on this background. Set image as background, yes. Okay, click on elements. Okay, now find the square. Now within elements, you'll find the white square. Drag the square over to the image and then resize it to cover everything. Now click on Position from the top tabs. Now click on Backwards to bring the image of the character to the front. Now we need to add transparency, and you do that by clicking on the icon which is right next to Position and then moving it down to about 70 or 50%, and then that basically allows the background to appear very faintly behind your character. Now click on Share from the upper right hand corner and then Download. It must be downloaded as PNG, which is one of the options down there under the Share. And then click on Download. Now the next step is we're going to make him speak. But first off, we have to give him a name, so I'm going to call him Computer. Host. Okay, now we're going to open up a new tab. Remember, we're not closing any of the tabs for some reason. We want to type in Creative Reality Studio. Now the website will be listed as Creative Reality Studio, and it's DID there when you see it, as you see here on my screen. Go ahead and click it to open it. Now once Creative Reality Studio opens, what we need to do is click on Start Now or Start Free Trial. It's best to log in too to create a new account if you don't have one already. Okay, now from the upper right hand corner, I'm going to click on Create Video, and then a new window will open up with a bunch of icons. At the very bottom you'll have one called Add. Click on Add. Once you've logged in and clicked on Add, you will see the files that you've saved, such as the background that you saved within the other AI. Now in the next window, you'll notice it says Script over on the right hand side. What you need to do is you need to copy your ChatGPT script and then bring it over and paste it within the box seen here. Once you do that, you'll actually be able to put these two together, that is, put the script with the audio with the image all in one shot. Now right here, the script, go back to your ChatGPT and you need to copy the script over. Go back to here and then paste the script. So now we're left with just the things that he's going to read. In the lower right hand corner, you notice it says English. That's the English accent. You can choose the British or other types of English accents if you want to. And notice it says Andrew. That's the voice. So there's many voices that you can actually select from as well. Now click on Generate, and it'll generate the image to go along with the vocals or your script. This takes a while. Now click on the video that was just generated and notice that you can share it, you can also download it. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to download the video. So there you go, that's the sample video that was made. Now remember, if you want longer videos, you do need to upgrade to the professional or the pro version of this software. So here I'm clicking on download. The download screen will open in your Windows machine, and then you can give it any name that you want. I'm calling mine Sample. Now go back to your YouTube Studio and then click on Upload or New Create. Once you clicked on Create, a new window will open up, then Create again, and then File Upload. A new window will open up, and then select videos or files. And this is the sample here. Now you can give it a title. window tips. And you can give the description and everything else. Click on show more. And then this is where you want to put in the tags. And what tags do is they allow the people or the users to find your work. So if you put in the word Windows, someone who types the word Windows in the search box, your video is one of the videos that pops up with a lot of others. And then click on next. If you have more than 1,000 subscribers, you can click on monetization turned on. And you click on next. And you'd have to click on none of the above. Submit the rating to become monetized. Then you click on next and video elements. If you want to add an end screen, you may do that for longer videos, but this is just a sample video, so I won't click on the subtitles or anything at this time. But you can. We got no copyright issues found. That's good. Click on next. And then what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to make this a private video because I really don't want my audience to say, what in the world is Mr. Barry doing with this tiny short video? So what we're going to do is click on private, but you would click on public to show it to the world, and then click on save. Now once you've done that, you'll notice that your video will appear here. If you have other videos, they appear there with it. You can now go into that video and go to subtitles and actually change the subtitles. So you can add languages and stuff like that. Notice right here it says processing. It usually takes within most videos, it takes anywhere between 5 minutes to an hour, but this is a very short video. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Click on duplicate and edit. Say continue. And there's what we have there. Click on publish. And then we'll add a language. I'm going to add one language here just for fun here, just to show you. Click on Japanese. Now from here you have to click on edit, translate, auto translate. Click on publish. There you go. So it's that easy to add languages on these. You just, all you gotta do is just click on there, click on auto translate, and it puts it in instantly. Okay. So now if we watch it,
Tech enthusiasts, are you?
there it is. So there it goes. I'm going to pause it there. As you can see, it's working on my YouTube channel.
Ready to unlock the full potential of your Windows 10 operating system?
Wow.
So very, very easy to do, yes. Hey, there you go. You now know how to generate a video from scratch that is not even having a script or even a theme, and all the way to the final product of where it's actually published up there on YouTube, and then you can share it with people. All right, hey, if you like these types of videos, please click on that thumbs up icon there and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'd like to say a big thank you to all those who've stayed to the end. If you have a question on any of the steps or anything, go ahead and just leave that down in the comments. I'll be happy to get to those as soon as I can. Thank you again. You all have a very good day, and bye-bye.